Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the option called Alarm and tap on it. And here we can set up new alarms. We can tap on the plus button to add a new alarm. This will open this menu. Here we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. We can change the hour, minutes, and then tap on the check mark. Next, you will see a couple more options. You will see repeat, you can tap on it. And here you can select on which days the alarm should go off or repeat. So if you select only once, it's gonna only ring once. But if you select Monday, for example, it's gonna ring on every Monday, or rather go off on every Monday, because it won't ring, because I don't believe the smart band has a sound, but it will vibrate basically. And you can select any day you want. You can select, for example, every day of the week, weekends only, whatever you like basically. Select the days you like, then tap on the check mark. And next we have the smart wake option. This option works, it basically will start ringing 10 minutes before your wake time, and it's gonna try to wake you up earlier. So it's gonna try to pick up the optimal time to ring to wake you up within the 10 minutes before the alarm is set. So if you enable this option, the smart band rather will try to wake you up a little bit earlier than the wake time. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to save the settings. And here we have our alarm clock. We can add new one, like this. And we can also remove the alarms by tapping on the edit icon right here at the top, selecting the alarm and tapping on the band icon to remove it, like this. And once you're done customizing your alarms, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to home screen. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.